I believe that education is the most empowering thing in the world. I mean, there's an old saying, give a woman a fish and she has dinner for the night, teach her how to fish and she has dinner for the rest of her life. The biggest education company on the planet is Google. And the reason why is that no day goes by where I teach myself a new skill using Google.
According to Harvard Business School economist Theodore Levitt, creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things.
The latest research shows that as adults, we actually lost our confidence in our creativity. We actually hide those ideas which are not finished and not perfect. So I wanted to create a space here with the garage where people actually are allowed to share unfinished ideas, not perfect ideas, as the space is also not perfect and not finished by design. So let's get going. I want you to take a very close look to the person left or right or across the table. And I want you to draw a picture of that person in the next 45 seconds. So please put your pens down and take this piece of art and hand it over to the person you just drew. Most of you actually would not share that with somebody else because you feel embarrassed, because it's not perfect. And what is that telling us? It's telling us that some of you maybe lost their confidence in their creativity. My 8-year-old son, Jonathan, he asks about 100 to 120 questions a day. As adults, and I count myself into that, we probably ask about 3-4 questions. What if we can produce zero waste? What if we can accelerate the transformation to clean energy? What if we can actually travel to Mars? All those questions are interesting questions because they actually let us allow to look into the future. They allow us to challenge the status quo and actually have a healthy disregard for the impossible. So what I want you to do is actually take your piece of paper, your profile picture, so that's you in front of you, turn that page around, and on the back, I want you to frame a question which allows you to look into the future optimistically. Let's share this idea with the whole world, literally. And get ready for launch. 3, 2, 1, and launch. Fantastic.